For this problem, we're being asked to describe a sequence of rigid motions or transformations that would map triangle ABC onto triangle DEF. And there's actually a few different correct answers you can give here. So I'm going to show you a couple of them, starting with what I think is the easiest explanation, and that's two separate reflections. So the first thing I would do is I would reflect ABC across the y-axis, so that point A would end up here, point B would be here, and point C would be over here. And then from there, we would reflect it again across this line here, which is the line y equals 2, because then point A would be mapped onto point D, point B would be mapped down to E, and point C would be mapped down to F. So that would work out. Another possible type of answer you could give would involve two different types of reflections plus an extra translation. Let me show you. So the first thing we could do is reflect it across the x-axis. So that would bring point A down to here, B would be 3 lower, and C would be over here. From there, we would then reflect across the other axis, the y-axis, and that would bring point A to here, B would be down here, and C would be over here. So to finish off, then we would just do a translation, 1, 2, 3, 4 units up, and then we'd be done. Next, I'll show you one more possible answer you could give, and it's actually just a single transformation. It would be a rotation around specifically the point 0, 2. And we can identify that more easily as the point of rotation if we draw a line connecting point A to point D, point B to E, and C to F. And you can see that they definitely would have that point of reflection at 0, 2. All right, so yeah, you can tell that there's a lot of different possible answers you could give. Those would all be correct. And yeah, hope that was helpful. Thanks for visiting JD's Preparation.